November last year, I get my motorbike license. So I'm very new to this, but I really enjoy riding the motorbike. So today's video is going to be whole about motorbikes. If you like what I'm doing on this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. If you like the content, press the like button. This is very important. This is very important. So let's go for a ride. I'm gonna go to a very special place now, so you are more than welcome to come with me. Here we are, Ice Cafe London. This is the place which I was talking about. Lots of motorcycles, Friday evening. Everyone is coming here to show up with his motorcycle. Excellent place, excellent place. Lots of things you can actually see here. Lots of motorcycles. Right now there we have about 100 motorcyclists. I'm gonna go inside to see what's going on. Can I have a apple juice? Medium one with one, yeah?
2 nice, please.
Oh, so we get apple juice in a famous cafe here. Look at that. Right, let's go outside. What a fun. We have an ambulance. Party is just about to start. Lots of people are coming here now.